Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make probably the easiest and quickest cake that you can make, and it is the lemon drizzle cake. Let's see how it's done. First thing, in a big bowl you can put the almond flour, plain flour, 150 grams of the sugar, the poppy seeds, the baking powder and the lemon zest, and just mix it well with a spoon. Okay, once you mixed all the dry ingredients, you can start adding the wet ingredients, so the oat milk, the rapeseed oil and lemon juice, but just half of it, so just the lemon juice from one lemon, and mix it well. Switch on the oven at 170 degrees. Then you can butter or oil, whichever you prefer, a cake tin. Once you butter the tin, you can just put inside the mix. You can just put it in the oven at 170 degrees for 30-35 minutes. Before taking the cake out from the oven, just check with a wooden stick, placing it in between the cake. If it comes out dry, the cake is ready. If not, it's not ready yet, so keep on adding like 3-4 minutes at a time until the wooden stick comes out clean. Okay, while you're waiting for the cake to bake, you can put the remaining sugar, so the 75 grams remaining, inside the bowl and add the lemon juice in it and just mix it well together. And you are gonna use these to drizzle the cake on the top when it is hot. Now 35 minutes have passed, so we're gonna try to, with a wooden stick, to check if it's dry, and it is dry, so the cake is ready. This is the final result, and now we're gonna put on the top the mix of sugar and lemon juice while it's still warm. Before serving it, just leave it to rest for about half an hour, so the sugar and the lemon juice are gonna set, and that's it. Simplest cake ever. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and if you want to activate the notification bell, it would be amazing. And please subscribe even to Tebe Studio UK channel if you like rock, metal, if you like music in general, because it's great and it's the one behind the camera each video that we make. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.